What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am excited for this one. So we had an awesome day last time in our last previous video, which was the Honda Super Meet. We had an amazing freaking time. We had a lot of people come up, show love to the spooniest one. Met up with some friends, everything, great time. So while I was there, a subscriber, Kez Taylor, solid dude, he's got a 7th gen K-swap. You've probably seen it in the last video when I did the cinematics. Hooked me up big time. Something we've been searching for the Mugen EL for a long time. So he came clutch and he got us, I'll show you guys in a second. He got us the hybrid folding mirrors for the Mugen EL. Oh, sorry about that, a little bit phlegm. Yes, he got us 2 mirrors, left and right, folding mirrors. Not power folding mirrors, manual folding mirrors, but they are power option, as you guys can see. But yeah, he got us these mirrors for the Mugen EL. We worked out a wicked deal and he came clutch. So rather than me paying someone to paint them, we are going to paint them ourselves. I already went to get, where is it? I had it somewhere here. Here it is. I went to go get some really good clear, not like the Duplicolor stuff that we used on the CRV wing that didn't come out as shiny as I thought it was gonna come out, but we actually went to get some 1K clear at the paint shop where I had bought the clear coat for when we did the engine bay on the spooniest one, which, as you guys can see, amazing. So I'm gonna be sanding them down, masking everything, and then I'm gonna primer them because one is darker than the other, and the silver, you might see that, so we're gonna primer it. And I believe I have, yes, I do have some Duplicolor filler primer. This head might not be good. We'll try it out though. If it's not, then I'll send that down too. Anyways, we had this for some time in the garage, so I got the filler prime, which is good because, as you guys can see on this mirror, paint flaked. So when I sand that down, I don't want it to, like, you know, have that like little lump and stuff like that, so it'll fill in the void. But yeah, we're gonna do that. I got this sheet, should be more than enough to sand everything down, and yeah, we're gonna paint it ourselves. So I just gotta go to KleanFreaks, get the exact silver of the EL so I can do that. So I'm excited, guys. I've been wanting these mirrors for so long, and now we got them. All thanks to the homie Kez. His car's looking amazing. Got to see him out with it yesterday. So yeah, there's actually quite a bit of 7th gens there at the show, EP3s, and then our sedans and stuff like that. But yeah, man, it's nice to see like a resurgence almost of 7th gens. Maybe because EKs and EGs are getting harder to find. And 8 gens and 9 gens are fairly on the expensive side still. With this used car market going crazy up, maybe people are just going into 7th gens, which is not a bad thing. We should get more people in 7th gens. Spooniest one and Mugen EL are proof why they're amazing. So yeah, enough talking, guys. So a little update. The screws that are on there to separate them, I got one out, but it has Loctite on it. So they all have Loctite, and I'm gonna be stripping them if I don't. So I'm gonna do my best just to mask what needs to be masked, and just paint them as a whole. Probably like open them a little bit so I can get into the crevices and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm not gonna try to screw up this mirror. So yeah, we'll just do it like that. Shouldn't be a problem. Alright guys, so I have the mirror sanded. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean it up, mask what needs to be masked, and then this primer I've had sitting for a long while in the garage, I'm gonna try this out. Okay, I'm gonna try that one out to see if it doesn't react to me. If it's good and everything, then I know I can go buy a can of paint and then just sand the other mirror. If that works out, I can sand the other one, and then I can just paint both of them at the same time. and not have to spend money on another can of primer. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to clean this up now, mask it, and then we'll let it sit after I prime it, see if anything reacts. If it reacts, then I know I got to sand it back down and get a different kind of primer. So that's going to be what I'm going to do first. Test it on this one first, since it's all sanded. And yeah, so I'm going to clean it up, mask the mirror itself, and then this part right here I'll mask and go from there.
2 hours later.
Alright boys, so the primer ended up working really well. I had to redo this mirror again. I sanded it down, but I still can't get rid of this. I gotta wet sand the whole primer once it's cured tomorrow before I lay paint. But I guess that part right there, I wet sanded it, dried. Can't get it as smooth as I can actually get it. I'm like, it's not that noticeable, so I'm okay with it. So I got it hanging like this. Tomorrow after they're cured, I'm gonna wet sand it and then clean it all up, and we can lay some paint on them and some nice clear, get these things all shiny, and then the day after we can finally put these on the Mugini L. Been waiting for these for so long. So that being said, I'm going to be taking a break the rest of the day, and then we will pick up tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Alright guys, so it's the next day and I'm really happy, dudes, I'm really happy. I was worried about that primer because it's been sitting, I don't know, maybe like 2 years in the garage, so hot, cold, hot, cold. And I was like, it's probably gonna react. It didn't. Guys, it cured really good overnight. I let it sit, and then I brought it inside. I left it in the furnace room so that the heat there would help it cure some more, but it's very good. So now we are ready to move on to wet sanding, then cleaning, and then laying some paint and clear coat tonight, and then we'll close off this video at that point, because then tomorrow I'm looking forward to installing them if they are ready. So it's pretty early now. If I get a good jump start now, so the paint and the clear, let it cure all afternoon in the sun in the backyard, and then I should be good. So we're gonna check that out, and I'm gonna sit you guys down, and we are going to start clear coating. So yeah. Also, shout out to Import Expo. Nice tea from the season opener, and you know, shout out to the Honda Superfest, which is the same owner. You guys did a sick job. So I'm excited, guys. I've wanted these mirrors on the Mugini L for so long, and we're almost there. I just hope I do a good job like I did on the CRV. Boys, so I've wet sanded it. I've went with a dry cloth over it because it was wet. Now I'm gonna put my gloves on so I can handle it and not get oily substances on it, and start rubbing alcohol everything so that way it gets rid of all the oily things and cleans it up good. I was watching some Young Static while or listening to it in the background as I was wet sanding it. It's very smooth to the touch. Wet sanded some imperfections. Depending how it goes, if the paint runs, then obviously I gotta let it dry and then wet sand it, because I'm gonna try my best not to have any imperfections. So yeah, that's the plan. I really want to get these knocked off today because I want to put them on the car so badly. I really do. Like I'm loving it. This thing looks so sick. I love these mirrors, man. The best OEM style mirrors. Like, don't get me wrong. No, yeah, like the stock mirrors on the 7th gen. It's like the EK, it's just too big. Like the 1.6 ELs came with those nice flip ones. Same with the Type Rs, Civic Type Rs. They came with the nice flip ones. So yeah, it just sucks that we didn't get that. Only the hybrid models did, and it's not all hybrid models have them. It's yeah. Anyways, they're wet sanded. As you guys can see, they're right there. I'm gonna put the gloves on. I'm not gonna bore you guys with that. I'm gonna put you guys down, clean them, put the wire through them to hang them. Gotta find a better way to do it.
15 minutes later.
boys, so I'm done painting, done clear coating. I have a lot of clear coat left. So as you guys remember when I did the CRV wing, the clear coat, everything was good, but the clear coat stayed dull. The Duplicolor shit, and it said high gloss, so that's a lie. Don't ever use a high gloss Duplicolor stuff. So I have a lot of clear coat left, and as you guys can see in the little montage, that clear coat's pretty freaking shiny. So, and like the Duplicolor one wasn't even that shiny when I was painting it. So that's gonna be a gloss. There's, I think, 2 little imperfections on one mirror because I actually hit my head on the clothesline like a banana, and it caused it to jump and it made 2 runs. So depending the severity of them, I'll probably wet sand it and go at it again. Most likely I'll wet sand it and go at it again. If it's not too bad and noticeable, then leave it, because the whole car is gonna have to need a paint correction or a paint job on the EL. So yeah, honestly though, they look sick. I can't wait to mount them. So they're gonna be 2 o'clock. So the rest of the afternoon into the evening, they're just gonna be baking in the sun. It is nice out. It's like 20 degrees out. It's pretty warm. Everyone's in a t-shirt. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna close this video off here. I'll pick up tomorrow with a new vlog. Well, next week for you guys, installing them, and then probably vlog re-clearing the wing on the CRV, because I want that to look the best it can. The dull bothers me, so I guess this is perfect. So yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm gonna be putting my camera transferring clips over so I could edit videos, so that's why I'm in my bedroom. See that? That's my very first ever award. Anyways, off topic. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in every week and supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. I love you all, guys. KleanFreaks, man, that's the brand. Guys, if you guys want to help support the channel, KleanFreaks, DM me on Instagram or the KleanFreaks Instagram page. Like I said, I take PayPal. I'm on the works of doing a website, so that way it makes it all easier. But until then, just DM me, PayPal link, everything. Yeah, appreciate you guys. You guys are the best, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.